Hi everyone. Welcome back to English Step by Step, your go-to channel for mastering English skills. Whether you're crafting a thrilling short story or writing for your IGCSE exams, using dialogue effectively can make your narrative come alive. Let's get started. Dialogue is powerful. It develops characters, drives the plot, and creates realism in your story. Well-written dialogue can immerse your reader and give them insight into your characters' personalities, relationships, and emotions. Dialogue is a fantastic way to show rather than tell. Instead of saying, "John was angry," you can use dialogue to reveal his emotions. For example, "You've got to be kidding me. John slammed the door. I'm done waiting for you." This approach lets readers infer John's anger through his words and actions. Formatting matters. Here are the basics. Always start a new paragraph when a new character speaks, and enclose their words in quotation marks. Let's look at some common mistakes and how to fix them. Common mistake 1. Mixing dialogue in one paragraph. Common mistake 2. Forgetting quotation marks. Incorrect. Sarah asked, "What's the plan?" Corrected. Sarah asked, "What's the plan?" Common mistake 3. Not capitalizing the first word of dialogue. Incorrect. "We should get going," Ben said. Corrected. "We should get going," Ben said. Common mistake 4. Misplacing or omitting commas and full stops. Incorrect. "Let's go," Sarah said. "I don't know," he replied. Corrected. "Let's go," Sarah said. "I don't know," he replied. These small formatting errors can confuse readers, so always double-check your work. Finally, every character should have a distinct way of speaking. Think about their background, personality, or even mood. A teenager might say, "That's awesome," while an elderly professor might say, "Quite remarkable." This variation makes your characters more believable. Now that we've covered the tips, let's put them into practice. Here's a challenge for you. Write a short dialogue between two characters arguing about a lost item. Focus on using realistic speech, showing emotions, and varying their voices. Share your dialogue in the comments below. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next time with more tips and tricks to level up your English writing. Bye for now.